We're asked very often in our office about the different types of custody and what that means. A lot of clients will come into us saying that they want sole custody of the child, and they don't really realize what that means. In New Jersey, there is a default to joint legal custody, and there is a difference between legal custody and residential custody. If you're asking for sole custody, what you're really asking for is for the court to take away not only the physical custody from the other parent, but many times the decision making authority of the other parent. And courts are very, very hesitant to do that. Additionally, I'm seeing that in the courts, there is more of a push towards 50-50 residential custody when it is possible. Obviously, if two people live very far away from each other, it's not as possible to have 50-50 custody. But I've had more than one judge say to me that they start with the concept of 50-50 custody, and it's our job as the attorneys to tell them why 50-50 custody is not reasonable for that situation. So understand that if you're looking for a custody determination, that the courts are most likely to try to give both parents as equal access and decision-making authority to a child as they possibly can. Getting sole legal custody is a lot more difficult than it sounds, and it's also very different than the child primarily living with one parent. A child living with one parent more than the other parent is not the definition of sole custody. So when you come in and speak with an attorney about what type of custody you're looking for, make sure that you understand that there are two different types of custody that you should be thinking about: physical custody and legal custody, and understand that if you're looking for sole custody of a child, it's going to be a very big hurdle to get over in the eyes of the courts.